too sure about the layers on me, but baby. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Ashimary hair. They sent me the shoe to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slaying. Your girl got her Wawa today because I'm about to drive. So I can't be sipping and driving. Stay safe, okay? So go ahead and sip some wine from me and I'll catch up later, okay? Now before I get into this easy breezy out the pack install that is glueless, okay? No glue, no spray, just mousse. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Ashimary hair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed in my description box. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Let's go ahead and get this wig on quickly out the box because I am literally running late. I have 30 minutes to get myself out this house. So this is what the wig is looking like. I'm not gonna wash her. You got time? Wash your wig. Since I don't, I'm gonna spray her down with my my hair perfume. A little something like that. This is the Yaki, okay, the Yaki straight, and it does come pre-layered. However, you can choose to get the unit without the layers. I got the 16-inch pre-layered unit. I also got the 4x4 lace parting space. This unit does come in like 5 different parting spaces. You got the 4x4, 5x5, a 6x4.5, a 13x4, and a 13x6. This one is made out of the pull and go cap construction. However, you also can get the normal cap construction. I'm assuming that means without the pull go tabs. But y'all know I love the little drawstring situation because it makes it secure on my head. It does come with the elastic band and the removable combs on the side. There's no comb. Yes, it is. About to lie. There is a comb in the back. So I'm going to take out the combs on the side. I already took out one. I'm going to see if this is going to fit with the elastic band. If I feel like it's pulling back a little bit on my edges, I'm going to take that bad boy off and just use the drawstring in the back. First, I need to tint my lace because, you know, that does not match me. So let's go ahead and get our Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. And I don't got that much lace to color, so let me just put it right up in there. Put it on my head and see how she is going to sit. Does she fit? Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's pulling a little bit, so I could definitely take the band off if I want, but I'm gonna leave it for now. Make sure I got some extra security because the wind is blowing outside, child. Woo, good thing I'm not wearing the lace frontal one. My edges will be flapping in the wind. They sent me a goodie bag. Got some lashes. What's this? A wig cap, information pack. Okay, or card. Ooh, some bobby pins. I keep losing them, but I got some more. Some lace tape. Y'all know I don't like that. And I got the elastic band with the ear cuffs, the little ear protectors. Oh, that was pointless. It was stronger than me, child. Come on, get off of here. Sometimes when you put the band around your head, it presses on your edges, especially for us who wear glasses. Ooh, we be struggling, child. Does this have the C-shaped ear tabs? Hold up, I didn't check that. Yes, no. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Hairline is looking pretty much perfect. I'm gonna use, dang it, hold up. Who is calling me? That was that man asking if I left the house yet. I told him, yeah, I'm about to. Okay, I'm using my Nairobi mousse around the front just to mold the hairline down, nothing crazy. They did send me a brush, but I'm gonna save that because I already have one open. I don't need like heavy edges or nothing. Just wanted to mold it. Let me clip up my hair in the back so I can tie her down. Ooh, that'll be cute. So you're right there. All right, cover. Come on, come on. Ooh, there we go. Brush out the hair real quick. Let me turn on my brush. My layers are a little iffy. What's going on? Are they uneven? Did y'all give me a hack job? I may have to trim this. This one is longer. What y'all do? Okay, let me see. Let me fix it. Now why I do it like that? We're gonna get it together. It smells good because, you know, I got that spray on there. I'm coming, baby. I'm gonna look like I spent a lot of time, but I didn't. Got my brush. Let's just fix that curl, fix that bump a little bit. Come on, come on. Fix that bump. Here we go, here we go. Now you can use a flat iron for this. I'm just using this little brush that I got. Hold up, ooh, it's hot. Ah, I keep putting my daggone finger on there. Be smarter than the curler, child. Brush and brush. I feel like my layers could be a little better. I mean, it does give it more of a natural look because it's not so perfect like I did it myself. Maybe just use your flat iron for this. I'm trying to hold it and I keep burning my finger. Uh-oh, moving too fast, got to turn on my mic. But here I am taking off the band and I just cut the baby hairs right here in the front a little bit shorter, nothing crazy. And then I'm just fixing up my bump. The reason I was burning myself because I had it up too high. I had it on 2. Should have just had it on 1. I don't know what I was thinking. See, this is what I get for rushing. Pretty sure it took my knuckle off. It's already pretty flat, so I don't need to do anything with that. Cock it to the side a little bit. It's a little crooked. Okay, and I think that's all. Okay. Listen, I saw my girl Brittany, aka the Hearts and Cake 90, do this wig a couple months ago, and I was like, girl, I need it. And Ashimary was like, girl, we got you. So here you go. Out the pack, the texture is gorgeous. I have no complaints about that whatsoever. Now I know why Brittany keep wearing that wig, because yes, ma'am. I wasn't too sure about the layers on me, but baby, y'all saw what I did. Barely anything, okay? If you don't want to use the brush, use your flat iron, you'll be good to go. I do feel like my layers are a little choppy, Ashimary. Make sure whoever you got cutting in that warehouse, they put their glasses on. They need these. I don't know what they was doing. They was hacking that bad boy, but it's good for now. No shedding, no tangling. This is beginner friendly. I didn't put no powder in my parting space. I just tinted the lace under the wig, and that was it, y'all. Okay, a 4x4 is all you need if you plan on wearing it like this. No track, no track. You can still get a side part out of this with the 4x4. You choose which parting space will work for you. Now for my specs, my wig is about 142, and to me, she worth it. Okay, she worth every single penny of that 142. Do what you want with that information. If you gotta call that man, then you know, you call him. Now I'm sure once I wash her, just like all other Yaki straights, it will stiffen up the texture a little bit, so you will need to blow dry her and then press her back out. But you know, out the pack, she giving a silk press, and I like that. And I hope you like this video, because it's time for me to go. Shout out one more time to Ashimary here for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.